start off with the steering column. You're gonna need a Torx bit. One straight underneath. Turn your key on, turn the wheel. Got one straight in. Turn the wheel the other way. You take your key back out. Now you want to separate the two halves. Pull the bottom off. Now you can reach back to your parking light switch. You can get to your immobilizer connector, and you can get to the ignition switch. Your OBD plug is right down here, 2.7 millimeters. Comes right down. All right, once you get everything unplugged, grab your module here. You have 3 connectors: the ignition switch, the immobilizer, and the OBD. Put that one in. That one plugged in. We'll run the OBD down. And that will plug right into the factory diagnostic port, and this will mount right in place. Then all you have left are the 3 wires for the headlight switch. They'll connect right here